Happy 2022, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First of all, thank you to everybody who has already enrolled in my course, The Next Step, in March. This is going to be, I've taught hundreds of courses throughout the year, and this is going to be the best one ever. I know that because I'm the one that's writing it. And the nice thing is, you don't even have to get the stale coffee, sit next to somebody that you don't know, and be pissed because somebody else got the last brand muffin. Yes, it's virtual. Anyway, so I'm glad you decided to take the plunge on that. Now, with that said, I want to get right to Facebook. Zuckerberg. Not exactly my best choice for strong character guy of the year. Decides he's going to change the name, hopefully maybe get a brand new reputation. Probably not going to happen, but in any event, I kind of like what the guy's done, and it's interesting that the stock has, I don't know when this dirtbag decided to change their name, and I don't think this little swoon has anything to do with that. I just think it's been kind of time for the stock to settle down. But this Oculus deal, from the people that I have talked to, Scott McGregor, my sidekick, has been one, and then Mark Minervini. Another one, that this Oculus deal is the real deal. And I'm looking at it, when I saw that they actually have like fitness programs. It's not just for people who want to shoot guns virtually or play Call of Duty in 3D, whatever it is. But when they have fitness routines and stuff like that, I can really see some great applications for it, which means that the product has a much broader application than I initially thought that it did. So basically what I'm saying is, I've been wrong. I've kind of missed the whole story on this, is the best way I can say it. I kind of missed the big deal. But now I'm not. And so the nice thing is, even though I missed the big deal, the stock's down to where you can still buy it. You look at the weekly chart, and this is in a long sideways consolidation, the way this is trading, for crying out loud. This thing can meander around here for quite a while and then ultimately get going. I seriously doubt it would do that. But so this isn't exactly a volatility squeeze that's waiting to pop. It's not. But I will say this, they report earnings on the 26th, so it's just about 4 weeks away, something like that, 3.5, doesn't matter. I'm not doing math. But if the stock breaks out above, say, 350, I think this would probably wind up being a really nice entry to catch a run to new highs. And then my other caveat would be, you want to see the stock, it's got to stay above here. It's got to stay above 300. If it doesn't stay above 300, then, you definitely don't want to buy it. So I haven't looked at the valuation on it yet. It's just really not where I'm oriented right now, right these days. But as long as the stock is staying above 300 and it's kind of in this box, I think this is a stock that you absolutely want to keep track of. If you want to start building a position in it, I think that's cool too. As close to the 200 as you can, which it doesn't hardly get much closer than this. So anyway, that is my take on Faceplant here. And my take on the new year is this. Let's make 2022 a much better year, and that starts with you. And the one suggestion, humbly, that I would make is focus on taking good care of your health. The last couple of years, I think, has been really tough on a lot of people for reasons that everybody knows. But the one thing that you can do to take control of your life in a way that perhaps you haven't over the last couple of years, stop relying on everybody else to help you be healthy. Just shut up and do the work yourself. Do some walking if you are completely sedentary, just kind of do something. Start with 5 minutes a day, whatever, and lose the weight. Focus on eating better. Stay away from the junk food. There's nothing that you can get in the drive-through of any place that's good for you. Stay away from the middle part of the supermarket. Only go to the produce section. That works for me. Should be working a little bit more, frankly. I mean, we all have our vices, but what I'm telling you is if you truly want to take care of your health, deal with your vices and make sure that you put those things to rest, because otherwise you're going to be put to rest before your time. Okay? That's it. Jack LaLanne signing off.